In a big boost for Bajaj Auto, the Intellectual Property Appellate Tribunal dismissed a plea by rival LML Auto challenging a Bajaj Auto patent on air fuel intake system. Ashwin Mohan joins in with all the details on that particular win. Ashwin, 7-year-old long spat this was. Take us through all the details of that.
That's right, Nisha. In fact, it's been quite a patient wait for Bajaj Auto, India's leading two-wheeler manufacturer, because this case was filed 7 years back by LML Auto. And of course, LML Auto was challenging a patent that had been granted to Bajaj Auto regarding air fuel intake system for two-wheelers as far as the auto sector is concerned. In fact, Bajaj's patent had been granted to them because Bajaj claimed that they had come out with an innovation that led to an efficient air fuel supply intake system, which in fact led to higher mileage and also lesser pollution. LML's argument, on the other hand, was that this was just a rearrangement of technology that was available in the public domain, and therefore it was not novel or innovative, and hence they had moved the Intellectual Property Appellate Board seeking a revocal of this particular patent, but clearly the patent board not agreeing with the arguments of LML Auto. In fact, the Chennai bench of the Intellectual Property Appellate Board dismissed the application of LML Auto on the grounds that they felt that this particular patent that had been granted to Bajaj Auto was an improved version of an already existing patent, and therefore they felt that the invention had become more effective, and therefore they ruled in favor of Bajaj Auto. Of course, keep in mind, Nisha, that LML Auto does have the option of moving the Chennai bench of the Madras High Court. They can do that. This appeal is can of course be challenged, but clearly this is a legal victory for Bajaj Auto that is extremely important because remember, these patents are extremely important for auto companies because now Bajaj Auto's validity of the patent has been upheld, and now they have exclusive rights as far as this crucial patent for fuel intake system is concerned.